Understanding, fill in the address, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might encounter in various situations. Fill in the address. Whether you're filling out forms online, sending mail, or registering for services, understanding this phrase is crucial. So, let's break it down together and ensure you can use it confidently in your daily life. When you're asked to fill in the address, it means you need to provide a complete and accurate location where someone lives or a business is located. This typically includes the street name and number, city, state or province, and sometimes the country and postal code. It's a request for specific information that allows mail, packages, or services to be delivered to the right place. The key to filling in the address correctly is precision. A complete address ensures that whatever you're sending or receiving arrives without delays. It's not just about knowing the address but also about writing it clearly and correctly. This can include street name and number, the basic starting point for any address. City and state, province, essential for routing within countries. Country, crucial for international mail or services. Postal code, helps further refine the delivery area, especially in cities with many streets that may have similar names. To confidently fill in the address, follow these practical tips. 1. Double-check the details. Always make sure the information is correct. A small mistake can lead to big delays. 2. Use clear handwriting. If you're filling out a form by hand, make sure it's legible. For digital forms, ensure you're entering the information in the correct fields. 3. Know the format. Addresses can be formatted differently depending on the country. Familiarize yourself with the standard format for the country you're sending to or receiving from. There you have it. Understanding how to fill in the address is an essential skill for navigating a variety of everyday tasks. We hope this video has clarified what the phrase means and how to do it correctly. Remember, attention to detail can make all the difference in ensuring your mail or packages go where they're supposed to. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful tips in our next video.